Good afternoon all. In the last video we have seen about string functions in PHP. Now we'll see about arrays and functions of arrays. Okay. So first, what do you mean by array? Array is nothing but a collection of similar data type. For example, if you want to store a first 100 roll number of a student, then instead of creating 100 variables, how we'll do? We will create a single array with a size of 100. Now, before going to start about creation of array in PHP, we'll see the types of array. There are three types: index array, associative array, and multi-dimensional array. Okay, so what is index array? It is nothing but with numeric index. And associative array means it have a name keys like index. And third, multi-dimensional array means it contain array and one or more array. Okay, means arrays contain one or more arrays. What is the use of array? To store the maximum number of values in a single name, and we can access that values with the help of their indexes. So we'll see the first type, that is index array. Okay, so see, there are two ways how we will create an index array. First, by assigning automatically. See the example, $car equal to array in bracket Volvo, BMW and Toyota. So Volvo will get index array 0, then BMW will get 1 and Toyota will get 2. You know, always array with starts with index 0. Second example, which contains we are assigning index manually. See, $cars 0 equal to Volvo. So both the ways are correct. You can create array in both the ways. So based on this, we will see one example to create and print array. So we have already taken an example of car. Just we have to put into the program. So starting tag of PHP, then next $cars equal to array Volvo, BMW and Toyota. Echo message, I like $cars 0 $cars 0 डॉट डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में आपने क्या लिखा है, कॉमा. देन नेक्स्ट $cars 1 and $cars 2 in the PHP tag. So what will be the output here? It will display I like Volvo, comma BMW and Toyota, means all the three. But to write a echo function, it's very important. See how you are writing echo message. See, for differentiating we are to use dot sign, and for giving comma also we are imposing double inverted comma. Okay, next, how to calculate length of an array. See, by using a count function here you can do that. So the array is $cars equal to array Volvo, BMW and Toyota. So I will count this array by using echo count in bracket. You have to write the array name, that is $cars. So it will give the output as 3. Now we will use this index array by using a loop. Okay, we have already declared an array of cars. Okay, so array length, we have taken one more variable, array length. In that we have calculated the length of an array. Okay, so array length equal to count in bracket $cars. Okay, so what will be that count? 3. So it will come into the variable array length. Next line, for loop, the for loop is similar working like a C programming, you know. So first $x equal to 0, that is initialization of an array. Then $x less than $array length, that is the condition. And next $x plus plus, which is increment and decrement operator. Echo message $cars in bracket $x. What we have to print? $x in bracket, sorry, $cars in bracket $x. Echo break. Okay, so it will come the output in the next line. So first it will print Volvo, next it will print BMW, next it will print Toyota. Next we'll go through associative array. The associative arrays are the arrays that use name keys that you assign to them. Okay. So see, there are again two ways for creating an associative array. See, we have taken one example of age. $age equal to array in bracket Peter 35, Ben 37, Joe 43. Okay. And second one is $age in bracket Peter bracket complete equal to 35. Okay. So the values, that is Peter, Ben and Joe, we are taken in index. Okay. So in the both ways you can do the associative array. We'll see one example. ये जो आपने अभी create किया था array, will print that. Okay. So in PHP tag $age equal to array Peter 35, Ben 37, Joe 43. Echo message Peter is $age in bracket Peter. Okay. Double inverted comma years old, double inverted comma complete, and the PHP tag. So what will be the output here? Peter is 35 years old. Okay, means instead of that $age Peter, it will give that value 35. Next, by using a loop. Okay, here we have used for each loop. See, starting of PHP tag $age वाला array लिया है हमने, and then for each loop in bracket $age as $x equal to $x value. Okay, inside the bracket echo message we have given key equal to $x. So what will be the $x? $x is nothing but your array $age. So key equal to $x, that means array, and value equal to $x underscore value. So जो भी वैल्यू लिखा है हमने, क्या क्या वैल्यू लिखा है? 35, 37, 43. It will assign to value. Echo break line. So what will be the output here? Key is equal to, what is the name? Peter, comma value equal to 35. Okay. Similarly, on the next line it will come key equal to Ben, value equal to 37. Okay, that means here name is associated with that array and value is associated with the value. So it is called as an associative array. So these are associative array, that is the index are in the string format. Okay. पहले जो index array था, हमने first type जो देखा index array, where in this type index it is in integer. Okay, that means numeric value. And in the associative array in this type, what is the index in string type or in string format. Third type of array is multi-dimensional array. So here it contains an array of arrays. Okay, that means what? It is the multi-dimensional array. Each element is associated, or each element can also be an array, or you can use that element as in a sub array, and it can be again a array. Okay, see now example. Two-dimensional arrays. Okay, so 2D array means what? It is an array of arrays. See, here we have taken one table. Volvo and BMW. Stock is 2215, sold is 1813. So how will write that? Dollar cars equal to array in bracket Volvo comma 2218 and array BMW comma 1513. So ये जो हमने मेंशन किया है टेबल, we have written in array of arrays. Okay, we'll see about the next part, that is functions on arrays. This is very important question. There are different functions. So first, print underscore r. It print all the elements of an array in standard format. Okay, we'll see one by one example about that function. Second function is extract. It converts the array into variables. Okay, then compact. It converts a group of variables into array. Next function is underscore array. It is for checking whether a particular element is an array or not. ये हम सब एग्जाम्पल में देखने वाले हैं. ठीक है. सॉर्ट फंक्शन, यू नो, सॉर्ट मीन्स sort array in ascending order. R sort means in descending order. A sort means sort associative array in ascending order on values. Okay, so this A indicates an associative array. K sort function means what? It sort the associative array in ascending order only, but on keys. So that's why it is written a K sort. Next, AR sort function is nothing but sort associative array in descending order on values. And KR sort function, it is again a associative array in descending order on keys. Okay, तो keys के लिए हम क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं? स्मॉल k. फर्स्ट फंक्शन जो हमने देखा है, फंक्शन ऑन एरेज, प्रिंट अंडरस्कोर आर. what it will do? It will print all the elements of an array in a standard format. So here is an example. Array A equal to apple and B equal to banana. Okay, this is an array we have taken. Print underscore r in bracket $a. So what we have mentioned, $a is nothing but an array, but we have written print underscore r in bracket $a. That is a array name. So how will give the output? Array in bracket index bracket A equal to apple and B equal to banana. Okay, so this is a standard format to print an array. Next one we will see about the extract function. What is the use of extract? It converts the array into variables. Okay, the array keys become variable names and array elements becomes the values of variables. See, this is a function extract. One example based on this: $my underscore array equal to array in bracket roll number equal to 1, name equal to Anna, class equal to Teacup. We have used extract function in bracket $my array. Okay, we have created one array and we are assigning, or we are writing that array in a function extract in bracket $my array. Echo $r number echo $name and echo $class. Okay, so it will give the output as 1 Anna and TCOM. तो क्या करेगा ये एक्सट्रैक्ट फंक्शन? इट इज़ कन्वर्टिंग एरे इनटू वेरिएबल्स. ये जो हमने पूरा एरे लिखा था, रोल नंबर विथ नेम विथ वैल्यूज. ओके, सो एक्सट्रैक्ट फंक्शन क्या करेगा? इट विल कन्वर्ट दैट एरे इनटू द वेरिएबल सो दैट इट विल प्रिंट लाइक जो भी आपका वेरिएबल वैल्यू है वो प्रिंट करेगा. ओके, next function is compact. What is the use of compact function? This function is opposite to extract. Okay, that means it convert a group of variables into an array. Extract function क्या करता है? It will convert array into variables, where it will convert group of variable into array. So example C. Dollar first name equal to Peter and last name equal to Griffin. Dollar age equal to 41. Dollar result equal to compact in bracket first name comma last name comma age bracket complete semicolon and print underscore r in bracket dollar result. ठीक है, why we have written a print underscore r function? For printing that array, correct? So what will be the output? Array in bracket first name Peter, last name Griffin, age equal to 41. So that means here it will give opposite output of extract function. Next function is sort. That means it will sort in ascending order. Okay, so how will do that? See, PHP function provides different function, that is sort, rsort. We have seen that. So first, this is a opening PHP tag dollar number equal to array in bracket 4, 6, 2, 22 and 11. We have taken one example of array with 5 elements. We have to sort this array. So sort in bracket dollar numbers. We are passing array name as a argument over here. So sort in bracket dollar numbers. Again we have to print that. So print underscore r in bracket dollar numbers. So here what will be the output? It will sort in ascending. That means give the answer as 2, 4, 6, 11, 22. Okay, next we have written rsort. Means what? This function will sort the array in descending order. So rsort in bracket dollar number and print underscore r in bracket dollar number. So what will give the output? 22, 11, 6, 4, 2. So here it end the topic as array. Okay, in the next lecture or in the next video we will see about form handling.